Hey, welcome Big Red Money Pit Garage. Got something to admit to you guys here. I made a mistake. I ordered some Amazon cheap lights for my wife's Yukon here. Not many people know, but this is the one that we inherited from her grandfather's passing. He bought it brand new and he loved this thing. And it's in really good shape. It's a 2001, has about 152,000 miles on it now. I did swap out the cluster for one with a temp gauge, but I may go back to the one without. That's the only little difference. Replace all the interior lights with LED so I can see, and then I bought those. When I got this, it had been repaired once before by her grandfather, and one headlight was original, one was replacement. Did not like that the lights couldn't get aimed properly. It was just junk, so I bought these thinking they'd be better. I put LED bulbs in it. Didn't make a difference. Actually, now it blinds everybody. It just floods the light, which is good for me, bad for everybody else. So I'll show you here in a minute. But I went and bought some Kappa certified OEM style replacements. Did come with halogen bulbs, which is fine. I'll test it with those. If I don't like that, I may still put the LED bulbs in and make a follow-up to this, but I'll probably keep the halogens for now, just so that it's as original as I can get it. It's still too bright out right now to test the lights and to aim them, but I'll aim it here on the garage door this evening, or if it starts raining and gets a little darker. So let me turn the camera around and we'll get installed. We'll get started on the install of this one. Hey, can't even talk today. So this is how these aftermarket ones are fitting. Not the greatest. You can see that it's just a clear lens, no lines or dithering or any kind of stuff like that. I'm not sure what that stuff is on the stock ones, but these are just atrocious. With LED or with halogens, they just don't seem to work real good. So that's it. All right, let me just show you what we got on here now. It doesn't have the original lines that go across it or anything. And when the high beams are on, which is the inside light here, it's actually pointing down, and this just shines everything. I do have to fix this one here, as you can see. I got to get the plugs. They're all burnt up. They've already been replaced on the other side, so let's get that going over here, show you guys what it looks like. And these lights are actually fairly easy to take out. I mean, actually, they're super easy, right? You've got this lever here and this one here. All right, you just pull these little guys out. And bam, the whole assembly just comes out. Sort of, just comes out. I always get it stuck on here. I'm not really sure if I'm not doing it at the right angle or what. But actually, look, the adjuster is super loose on this. I mean, there's just no way that these are going to work properly, right? And that's unfortunate. I think this grill has been replaced. I mean, just look at this. It's just junk. So let me get the wiring off here off the back. That's the easy one. This one might be a little difficult on one hand here, but let's see if I can do it. I just kind of pry on the tabs with my thumb. I push back. Got it. So let's set that up there. Yeah, super easy. This is that plug I was talking about that I've got to replace. Actually, the whole light just kind of came out there, didn't it? You can see I've wedged something in here before to put some tension on this little tab, but I just popped that back in. I'm not sure how that came out. Oh, that might not be something we can do with one hand. Yeah, I'll fix that one later. But let me get the other one set up and show you what the difference is. Oh yeah. I probably could have left this on while I was done, but oh no. What's it stuck on? Cool. And it will just be fairly easy, right? Again, one-handed, probably not the best way to do this. So that one's in. You just reach in there, slide it on, and she's in. So and just make sure that where that rod goes through here and here line up, and the same there. Rods aren't in yet, but that's what it's going to look like. So again, for comparison, not a whole lot different, but still better. So yeah, let me get those rods in for you. When I did this the first time, I had a big problem with the bottom down here not lining up properly, but I did not have it this time. So again, probably due to the better built housing assembly, I'm assuming, or build quality in general. I'm not really sure. Oh, that was beautiful. Definitely look like they're, yeah, they might be pointed right. We'll see tonight. I'm just going to repeat that on the other side, but to keep the video short, I'll go ahead and just wrap it up here. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe, and if you guys happen to know any good aftermarket LED lights for the 01 Yukon, please let me know. Thank you.